Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the cordless portable pressure washer, the Fanttik NB10 Nano. So inside you get the user manual, a USB-C charging cable, and the portable pressure washer. Briefly going over some specs, the NB10 Nano has a max PSI of 98, runtime of 60 minutes, and it has a 4,000 milliamp hour battery. There's two spray modes, and it has a 2.1 gallon tank, LED screen, Type-C charging, and the recommended usage is for patios, camping, indoor, or home. Looking at the unit, you can see it's pretty compact. You have a nice handle on the top, very light. You have the cap here, easily you can unscrew it and then screw it back on, and then you can put the water. The tank is removable, so just lift up the levers on the side like so, and then you can take it in to the sink or by your hose to fill it up. The inside compartment, you can see everything is nice and organized. You have the hose here and you have the spray gun, so you can just remove it. And then again, this is 9.84 feet, so you have plenty of hose to work with. And then there is a cutout here on the back, so basically you just want to run it like so and then put the tank back in. So it comes out like that in the back. Attaching the spray gun, you can see here, you can kind of push it in, and that's to unlock it and lock it into place. So there it clicks, and then to unlock it, just push it up, and then you'll be able to pull the hose out. And then there's two spray modes. We'll go over it shortly. Looking at the front, you have the charging port on the side, so there's a rubber cover. And then the front does have the LED display that will show you the battery status. And then there is also an LED light that can come in handy if you're camping. And then this button is basically the mode button to toggle the light and then to turn on the washer. So press it once, it will turn on the light. You can see the battery level, and then hold it down. That will turn on the portable pressure washer. All right, so let's go ahead and test it out. So I filled up the tank with water. Again, it holds 2.1 gallons. So turning it on, just hold down the button. The motor will activate and start to fill up here. And then this is how it works with the pressure gun. And then there's two spray settings. You can see the stream and then more of a wide spray. So let's start off with this setting here. So this is more of a spray, and then you can turn the nozzle like so. So this is on the stream. Again, 98 PSI. And then turn it again, and then this is more of a spray. And then now the stream. And then you can hear the motor here, hopefully. It's not too loud, but you can hear it going to work. Again, very light, so you can carry it around, portable. And then again, toggling to the spray mode, more of a wider angle. And then the stream again. So that's a look at the Fanttik NB10 portable pressure washer. Very versatile, has many different uses. You can use it indoors, outdoor, for example, just cleaning your patio, taking it camping, use it for a water source, or even take it to the beach, if you want to clean off your feet, after a day out in the sand and just want to clean off all the dirt. This will definitely do it. It's not one of those powerful pressure washers, but it does have its place as far as use. So I've left a link in the description box below if you want to check it out.